हे फावटी आमकां 349 भुरगे चेडे आनी चेडवां पार्टिसिपेट जाली. ते म्हणजे आमचे कोच बरें काम करतात आनी बाउट पळयल्यार बरें बॉक्सिंग आसलें. आनी आतां आमकां सिनियरूय बॉक्सर मेवले. आमी चड खोशी. आनी आतां 5 तारखेच्यान वेस्ट झोन आसतलो. वेस्ट झोनाक आमी शुअर आसा की आमकां विनर नाजाल्यार रनर तरी मेवटली म्हणून. कित्याक आमचे बॉक्सर खरेंच बरे आसा.
स्टेट बॉक्सिंग चॅम्पियनशिपीक बरो प्रतिसाद लाभलो. आता पश्चिम विभागीय चॅम्पियनशिपीत गोंयाक बरी संद आसा.
We have seen that a lot of boxing is getting more and more competitive. जशे बॉक्सिंगाचे is a part where Goa has always been getting medals for national games, for state championship. This is an opportunity for boxers to come together, show their talent, prove their worth, represent the state, make a career for themselves. And हे सगळे करता असताना Goa Boxing Association is our endeavor to create good boxers, create their future, to ensure that they get the right type of coaching. Maka दिसता सगळे referees, coaches, the association and the teams around, where Lenny I think is one of the major pivotal role. All these guys have done a wonderful job. This will definitely give a boost to the boxers to groom themselves for the coming future. And I'm sure कि आता the national games, आता the पुढे Goa will definitely look.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्याम सुंदर फडते.